Iraq economic news and points to ponder Sunday afternoon, the 5th of October 25. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Gold prices rise slightly in Baghdad markets. Money and business economy news. Baghdad Iraqi and foreign gold prices saw a slight increase on the Baghdad Stock Exchange today, Saturday. Gold prices in the wholesale markets on Al-Nar Street in the capital, Baghdad, this morning recorded a selling price of 1 myth call of 21-karat Gulf, Turkish and European gold at 775,000 dinars. And a purchase price of 771,000, while last Thursday's prices recorded 772,000 dinars. Mawazin News. Baghdad. The dollar exchange rate stabilized in local markets in the capital, Baghdad. On Sunday, the selling price reached 142,500 dinars per $100, while the buying price reached 140,500 dinars per $100. Iraqi oil exports to the U.S. exceed 4 million barrels despite the decline. Economy, 10:42 the 10th of May 2025 Mawazin News. Follow-up: the U.S. Energy Information Administration announced that Iraq's crude oil exports to the United States amounted to more than 4.2 million barrels during September, down from about 7.9 million barrels in August. The administration explained that Iraq ranked 6th among the largest exporters to the United States and 2nd among Arab countries, after Saudi Arabia, whose exports amounted to 7.29 million barrels, while Libya ranked 3rd with 3.03 million barrels. Decline in Iraqi market indices, with trading worth 777 million dinars. Stock Exchange Economy News. Baghdad. The Iraq Stock Exchange recorded a slight decline in the general index during today's session, Sunday. The ISX 60 closed at 965.71 points, down 0.15%, or 1.44 points. The ISX 15 index also fell to 1,128.13 points, compared to the previous close of 1,131.26 points, recording a decrease of -0.28%, equivalent to 3.13 points. The trading value of traded shares exceeded 777 million dinars through the listing of 979 transactions. OPEC Plus countries decide to increase oil production by 137,000 barrels per day. Baratha News Agency 8020251005. The 8 OPEC Plus member states announced they had agreed to raise their oil production ceiling for November by 137,000 barrels per day compared to October. This decision was made at a virtual meeting held on Sunday by OPEC Plus member states that had previously voluntarily reduced their production: Russia, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, the United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Algeria. According to the meeting's results, Kazakhstan will be able to increase its oil production in November to 1.563 million barrels per day, while Iraq's production will rise to 4.255 million barrels per day. Russia will increase oil production in November by 41,000 barrels per day, reaching 9.532 million barrels per day, while Saudi Arabia's production will rise to 10.061 million barrels per day. OPEC Plus said in a statement, given the strong global economic outlook and current favorable market, reaching 9.532 million barrels per day, while Saudi Arabia's production will rise to 10.061 million barrels per day. OPEC Plus said in a statement, given the strong global economic outlook and current favorable market per day announced in April 2023. This adjustment will be implemented in November 2025. The statement indicated that the countries will continue to assess market conditions and reiterated the importance of adopting a cautious approach and maintaining full flexibility, as participants can suspend or cancel oil production increases, including lifting the voluntary 2.2 million barrels per day cap. The next meeting of the 8 member states is scheduled for November 2nd. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.